everyone! I'm in Amsterdam!
I was afraid living life in the down.
Finally, for like the first time. I've been trying to come here for so long, but I just never had like the time or the money. So now I'm finally here. I'm here for about 2 days. So today's Wednesday, so I'm here for the full day. I came yesterday and leaving Friday. And I'm actually staying with my friend Sophie.
Hi!
We've been friends since school, so she's actually studying here at university. So I'm staying with her. We've got the monument here, we have the palace behind us, and then we've got some churches and some other stuff. I don't know the other stuff.
This is a big shopping centre for really expensive designer goods like Prada, Gucci, Yves Saint Laurent, all that sort of stuff.
So we're going to try and get some like Dutch specialty foods like the fries.
Yep.
What is it, like
Dutch fries? So it's like fries and it's in like paper cones sort of thing. And you can choose like mayonnaise, because Dutch people love mayonnaise with their fries, or any sauce you want really. You dip it and you just eat it.
Yeah, so we're definitely going to try that. I think they have other specialties which I'm not sure I'll try, but maybe we'll see what happens. Yeah, so we're going to walk around, see what's around, have a look in the shops, see what's going on really, see what the hype is. Just walking down, leading up to the red light district, so let's have a see what that's about. A canal, and it's so relaxing and it's so pretty, and the colors are just amazing, and the buildings and everything, it looks very like how I picture Amsterdam to look like. So yeah, we're just chilling for a bit and just see what we're gonna do after. We're still deciding like where to go, what to do, but we're having a really good time and we've got some good photos already, so I'm really excited to show those. So we're just chilling really. So how do you feel, Sophie?
I feel good.
On a ferry to go to the lookout, and it's a free ferry which is like through the central station, so, and it's really warm today, so we're gonna go to the lookout, get some tickets, get some drinks, maybe check out the swing. Don't think Sophie's up for that, but
Too much. I have done it before though,
so we're gonna check that out and hopefully it's a good time. Lookout, and we got the premium ticket to get 2 free drinks, and you pay €5 extra for the swing. So I'm going on the swing. So it's going to take photos
I am.
and videos. So yeah, you get these 2 little tokens. I've already spent one on a wine, and they also make you take a photo as well downstairs. But I think you have to pay for that, so I'm probably not going to pay for that. But it's really lovely up here, and it's really like classy. The view is just amazing.
The aircon is great.
That too. I think it's like you can see the whole of Amsterdam, right?
Yeah, that's right.
The whole of Amsterdam from this little building here. Swing. Sophie's gonna take the photos. This is the swing. And it wasn't too bad actually. I think Sophie got some good footage, hopefully. Trusting her with this. Yeah, it wasn't too bad. It lasted like 30 seconds, it feels, but it might have been a minute. I don't actually know how long it was, but it didn't feel very long at all. But if you go as a single, they partner you up with another singles person, so you're really sitting with a stranger, but it's fine. It was still like a really good time. I'm glad I did it. I feel like it's like a tick off my bucket list, which is fun. So yeah, just gonna walk around here now and see like the view and like a 360 view. And there's a horse here, red horse. So we're in a pancake house. Apparently it's a really Dutch thing to do, to go in for pancakes. So I got the ham and cheese. Sophie, what'd you get?
Apple, cinnamon, and sugar.
And Kristen, this is Kristen, and she got...
I had bacon and cheese, so similar.
Yeah.
It's really good.
So I think like the price here is around like €9 per plate, around that average. So I mean it's costly, but I think it tastes good. I haven't had mine yet. I'm still waiting for mine. But... but it's a boat. And I'm really excited. I love being on boats. So I think this goes. What does this go like through everywhere?
Yes, the whole of Amsterdam, all the canals. You're gonna see all of Amsterdam.
All of it. I'm very excited, and it's so hot today as well. So let's go on this boat trip. Plane. I don't know what's here.
There's like, if you walk a little bit this way, you go and the museum quarters there, and there's loads of bars, cafes, and restaurants here. There's also
I have my own personal tour guide. And this is where the I am Amsterdam sign is. So I'm trying to see that and get some cool pictures there. Sitting in a park, and there's the I Amsterdam sign over there with a astronaut. And it's really busy, so it's hard to get a photo. So, but we still got some photos, but they're not that great like what I thought it'd be. It's quite a big sign, but there's so many people, so I don't think it's even possible to get a photo without all the people. But that's fine. I'm happy I saw it. So where we're sitting is like all the museums. So there's I don't know these museums. There's a Van Gogh museum over there. Right now we're just kind of walking through a park for my last few hours, and then gonna get a train to the airport. But yeah, I've had a really good time here, and I think one of my favorite parts was the lookout. Definitely worth doing that. I mean, I did the premium tickets and the swing, so I'm pretty happy with that choice. I really enjoy it here, and I definitely see myself coming back, and I'm really glad that the weather was really good. We haven't had any rain or any clouds. It's been clear skies these last 2 days. So yeah, I'm definitely recommending this place, and I definitely think I will be back.